So you've seen us on a few jobs with custom home builds, but have you ever wondered what it really takes to put a development together with multiple units? Stay tuned to check it out. Arnold Lumber has been a partner of New England builders and homeowners for over 100 years. Our goal is to elevate projects to their highest potential through top quality product solutions and above and beyond service on all projects from start to finish. Now, we're teaming up with industry leaders and the area's best builders to give you insights on the latest material technologies, best practices, and unique projects. This is Breaking Ground. Hey folks, Tom with Arnold Lumber here with another episode of Breaking Ground. On this episode, we're going to be in Portsmouth, Rhode Island with Harbor Construction to take a look at what goes into putting together a multi-unit development. Not the same as putting together a single custom-built residential home. A lot more goes into it. The folks from Harbor are going to talk us through. We're here with Ed at Harbor Construction, and we're talking a little bit about multifamily. So we've done a lot of how to put together a home custom built, and you've probably been on a few of those jobs. But what are the unique differences between doing a multifamily project like this compared to just a custom built one-off residential home?
Well, a one-off custom home, you get problems, but the problems come at you one at a time and slower. Like they're kind of spaced out. Mm-hmm. Over here, we're trying to get 3 different styles.
Because there's 3 styles on the one.
3 different layouts.
Yeah.
And the mechanical, the plumbing, the electrical, structural are all particular to that style of house.
Right.
Now, we're trying to do 3 of them at one time. And what we end up with is all of the problems coming at you all at once.
All at once. Is there a process to it? Do you have to have meetings every single morning? Do you have to review the whole project before you start going into it? I mean, what's the difference?
This job right here, it's sort of like we have a meeting every day, all day. I mean, you know, we have like, you know, project meetings where we try to get into like coordinate so everybody knows where everyone else is going to be going and which buildings are the priority. But it's just all day long. Someone's running in to say, hey, can you come look at this? Or we've got a conflict here.
I got you. I haven't been on a job yet, custom or otherwise, that where everything went exactly according to plan anyway.
Well,
so it's just, well, with this many houses, what are we talking, 24, 20?
28.
28 units.
There's 28 units. There's actually 3 duplexes up in the back here and 2 half units, and then all the rest are these.
We see here. So last time we were here, it was cold and you had these foundations in.
We started February 28th, and the last one went in the end of March.
So the cold and the winter, you guys had to keep going.
Yeah, we plowed right through it.
So there's really no season to it.
No.
Project starts, you got to keep on going right on through. So it seems to be moving right along though. What's the time frame on this from when you started to when you're trying to have this thing wrapped up?
Well, part of the operation is getting the model units done that have all of the different options that people can add to it. So one of them is getting an elevator.
Oh, geez. Okay.
One of them is going to show you what the floor plan is going to look like without the elevator, which would probably be like a closet or something that they can use, some sort of utility room.
They're not all going to go up at once.
No. What's going to happen is once the people come out and decide what style house they want, what options they want, they'll probably pick out the lot that they want. Then we'll go and build that house.
You're making the model homes.
Yes.
Really?
That's exactly right.
You're going to build those all up before you finish the rest, get them in, then they're going to come in and walk around like picking out a car.
I want the bonus room above the garage.
Yep.
I want the elevator. I don't want the elevator.
Yeah.
I want the optional bathroom.
All right. Well, that's a cool approach. Now, I'm not going to keep you much longer than when I've got so much to do, but we'll look forward to coming back when you got these things set up so we can take a look inside and see how they're finishing up.
Come down anytime.
Good talking to you.
Thank you.
Thanks, man. We're back in Portsmouth, Rhode Island on the Harbor Construction site, and the project's moving along quite well. Last time we were here, some of the interior construction was happening. We're going to take a look and see how the units are shaping up. Gentlemen, glad to be back. Looks like you guys are making some progress. How's the project been so far?
It's been very good. We're maybe a little ahead of schedule than we thought we would for the time frame that we started building.
Yeah, good.
And site work and everything else. We're trying to wrap them all up before the snow.
Yeah.
And get them on the market and get them staged.
Do you have some sold already?
We have a few sold already,
Yeah.
and marketing is here every weekend,
Yeah.
showing and just kind of going through them.
What's,
Sending open houses every weekend.
Seems like pretty smooth sailing at this point as far as buttoning these things up and getting through the rough patches. I know every project when you start, like we were talking about, is
The learning curve.
the learning curve and
What we have to work out with regards to what the architect wants and what little bugs we go into the design.
now we got a flow going, things are wrapping up. How many units would you say you kind of have pretty much buttoned up and done out of the ones that you started?
Probably 3 units.
3 units,
Yeah.
like pretty much there, ready
Yeah.
for staging, and
Yeah.
or some of them ready for moving in.
We
once you
already
get the
have
COs.
1 unit, which is across the street, ready for moving, actually.
And will that start happening, or do you have to get some more work done before people
Pretty
are?
much ready to go.
Yeah, huh?
Yeah.
All right, cool.
We're waiting for a CO any day now, and we're going to stage this out as our model.
Let's take a look at it then before you bring everything in, bare
Certainly.
bones,
Yep.
and walk us through
Absolutely.
what we're talking about.
You
All
got
right,
it.
All right, guys, what do we got first?
So this is your den,
All
possible
right.
office area. Has a 6-foot slider.
You mean these pocket doors?
Yeah.
Yeah, give that a quick pull. Yeah, I love the pocket door, man. That's like such a great solution to
They're all
maximizing space.
solid core.
Give you some privacy
Yeah,
if need be.
very nice.
All right.
Very good. What do we have next?
And then to our right, we have a coat closet.
All right, sets
All right.
up nice. Coming down the hallway.
Come down the hall, we have a full bath if you want to take a look at that.
Yeah, let's have a look at the bath. So, plenty of room. How high are these ceilings in here?
We had 9-foot ceilings.
It really does open up the space quite a bit and lets a lot of that.
It does. It
Natural
makes it
light
feel,
float around.
you know, a lot more open. And if you notice when you come into the bathrooms, you know, everything's tiled.
Yeah,
The full vanities with all Corian tops.
Yeah.
We have 1/2-inch glass shower doors, which
Beautiful,
is really
yeah.
unheard of. A lot of people don't use 1/2-inch glass. They use the 1/4-inch glass, which is very flex.
Why go with 1/2 inch? Just
It's just a very
Sturdy.
solid door, sturdy. You don't get to shake, and it'll last much longer. Again, we'll start with Anderson windows. We use the Anderson 400 windows in
Okay.
all our houses. We find that is the best value for a window. We really like Anderson. In all our houses we've built so far, we have used Anderson.
Yeah.
The 400 series is very comparable to all other windows, and for the money, it's probably the best window on the market, I feel.
So what happens next? We're coming down a little further. Have another little side like linen closet
Correct.
here.
Correct. And then to your left
Yep.
is a 3-story elevator. Goes down to the basement.
You guys always put elevators in your homes at this point?
This elevator is an option.
Okay.
All right. But this is the model unit. So it has 95% of every option you can buy.
How often do you guys find the elevator is desirable in a home?
So presently we have 6 units. We've sold 4, and I think 2 have elevators, Ed. So,
And they've asked for them.
yeah, so it's a 50%.
Yeah, huh?
Yeah.
I mean,
Yeah.
I can see how and why. If you're coming in, it's going to be the last place you're going to stay. Might as well have the
Correct.
elevator in.
And you know, this clientele is, you know, some snowbirds. So older community.
Okay.
So this is a great convenience.
Makes it a little easy to get around.
Great
Yeah.
convenience.
Love it. My favorite part of the house is this beautiful open floor plan you guys got.
So-
here. So talk us through this.
We have a living room here
Uh-huh.
with a gas fireplace, custom casework, which is an option. You have a wet bar here,
All right.
all right, with a wine refrigerator, a beverage refrigerator, and an operable sink, and casework for storage.
Perfect.
So it's a great entertaining space.
I can see setting this up nice. Get a chair, couch, couple of places to sit and set up in
And
here.
I think one of the great features of this room is the large 12-foot Anderson slider.
Not only for the view, but
Adds light.
the light is
It opens the room right up.
perfect. It
Yeah,
really
and it
feels
opens
so
you to the outside. it makes the space very inviting.
And I can open those up and there are screens on the other
Yep,
side
there's-
so we can let fresh air
Yep,
into this.
absolutely, 100%.
Perfect.
And being near the coast, you know, you get some nice breezes.
Uh-huh.
So I think it's a great feature.
And then we come into the kitchen.
All right.
And when we're into the kitchen, we have all quartz countertops. We have all Thermador appliances.
Beautiful.
All the cabinets are all custom cabinets. And again, we have an 8-foot patio door, and
Yeah,
again,
yeah.
all Anderson windows, all custom lighting that was picked throughout by a
was
designer.
that was spec for all these units then
Through all
this
the
way.
units.
Now if,
Each unit has a different design, coastal, traditional,
got it.
and contemporary.
If I'm purchasing one of the units, do I get to decide if I want to
Yes,
change?
prior to the construction.
All right.
Yeah.
Very
And
cool.
You're standing in the dining area. This will be where your dining and eating spaces
Great.
are going to be. And again, you have a great view of the outside. It's bright, it's light.
Even
airy.
more lofty in here with the ceilings.
Yeah, an A-frame ceiling.
And I see a lot of nice recessed lighting up there as well. So I imagine that.
Yeah, it can pop those on for you.
All right. Yeah.
And we
Sounds
also
out.
have surround sound in the rooms, which Mark is going to walk you guys through. 'Cause
That's the circles I see up in the ceiling.
Yeah, and again, as we spoke earlier, that's an option. It's touch oriented, very simple. So if you hit the word video, it gives you your front door.
All right.
So you can see
Nice
when
doorbell
somebody enters,
cam.
and you can talk and respond, and it gives you a little sense of
That comes in handy. What else we
security.
got on this touch
So
screen?
we also have music. So you hit media,
All right.
and it gives you all the rooms that have been pre-assigned. So you have kitchen, living room, den,
Yeah. I can pick
master
where I
bath,
want to pipe it through.
rock and roll, and you know, if we turn it on, we'll get some music, but we'll leave it off at this time.
And am I controlling the air conditioning and heat through this unit
no,
as well?
Nope.
All right.
Security, all house audio.
Yeah.
And then if you hit home, you get the current weather.
All right. I'll take
All right.
that. Cool.
So it's a great feature.
Yeah, that's nice to have.
Yeah, it's wonderful. Really
All right.
enjoyable. Yep.
So then I guess from here we head on upstairs.
Yep.
All right. Let's take a look. So top of the stairs, second floor.
Yeah, behind us is the
Yep.
master bedroom.
All right.
So want to take a stroll in
Yeah.
there?
Why don't we take a peek? After you.
So again, custom choices for finishes.
Okay.
All right. And then a closed closet here.
Nice big walk-in.
All right.
All right.
With some shelving units and places to hang your clothing.
Of course. Yeah.
And in the interim, all the flooring that you've seen in the house is all custom white oak flooring, pre-finished, installed.
Very nice. Look at this. This is a nice
Beautiful space.
primary bathroom. 2 sinks, nice walk-in shower, 1 bathroom, 1 bedroom, back out into the,
So we're gonna walk into the bonus room.
all right. This is over the garage.
Over the garage.
All right.
So you have a closet over here, Tom.
Yeah.
Full bathroom.
All right. It's a nice big room for a bonus.
It's great space.
This could be anything. This would be a great entertainment room, game room,
TV
kids'
room,
playroom.
whatever. Yep.
Nice.
Yeah, it's a nice space.
And nice to have a full bathroom off of this as well.
Yes.
Very good.
So on the second floor, we have the laundry, washer.
Oh, so the units will be in here, side
could
by
be in
side
here,
or stacked?
side by side units.
All right.
So all ducted outside and all piped and ready to go.
Nice to have the elevator in this unit then, so you're not lugging that
Bring it
laundry up and down the stairs. Yeah,
Absolutely.
Yeah. Very good.
And then there's a little room here that it's kind of, you can make it a little office room.
And off of this, what I'm calling the extra space, right away the bathroom is here.
Correct. And
Another full bathroom.
this, you know, if you use this for a small office,
Yeah.
you use this bathroom, there's also a bedroom
Right.
to this side. So it's being jointly
Each bedroom has their own bathroom then
Correct.
here, and
Correct.
the primary bathroom on the
Correct.
downstairs when you come in.
Absolutely. It's nicely laid out. It's custom furnished
Yeah.
with fixtures,
Yeah.
electrically and plumbing wise. So they are beautiful spaces.
They really are. I mean, for a multi-unit development that we have here, you guys didn't take any shortcuts. You really made it comfortable and premium at the same time. Open space, elevator, plenty of closet room. You got 4 bathrooms in the unit. You guys really created a beautiful home here.
So-
and that's intentional.
Yeah, and obviously we're the builder, but you know, the architect, which is Union Studios, which is a Rhode Island firm,
Sure.
which has, you know, national acclaim, as well as the Engineering did all the site engineering
Okay.
for this project. And as I mentioned to you earlier, it was quite a lengthy process to get approval.
What's the main difference between doing one home that you're going to develop and sell compared to this undertaking?
The complexity of a project of this nature is continuity of trades, and I think materials haven't been really an issue.
Good.
We're very fortunate for that.
It's not simple. A lot of coordination goes
And
into
we
it.
just started this project in full force in the winter of 2025.
Yeah.
So in 10 months,
You're
there's
already.
six houses up in various stages of completion.
What do we have left to do? 6 houses up. How many more to go?
22 to complete.
All right. And what's the schedule for all of that?
The goal is to probably be out of here in a year and a half.
All right. Well, you're doing a great job. Hope it's okay for us to come back again and trouble
Absolutely,
you for another
always a
tour
welcome.
when we-
Welcome neighbor, anytime you want, Tom. It's been
Good
my
seeing you,
pleasure.
Mark.
Thank
Thanks
you.
so much.
All right.
Well, that does it for this episode of Breaking Ground. Special thanks to our friends from Harbor Construction for showing us around and teaching us a little bit about what it takes to put together a multi-unit development, and our friends from Anderson Windows for sponsoring this episode with the beautiful 400 series windows on this project. If you liked what you saw, remember to subscribe, like, and share with your friends. And until next time, I'm Tom with Arnold Lumber. We'll see you next time on Breaking Ground.